bumper is going to come off on a 24 Prius. So it started. We already started. Took this guy out. I'm going to show you how to take the other side out, because you got to get to that one bolt that is behind here on each side. So come on, work with me here. Come on. Really? I had to put the phone down for a sec. There you go. 1, 2. And we're going to take those out. We're going to continue on with what we need to do on the outside. Just like the front, what we did before, we got to take these guys off. So let's do that. 10 mil. 10 mil. Need more clips. Clip, 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 clip. I'm going to take them all out, see what happens. And just like the front, we have another clip back over here. So after we removed the 10 mil down there, we come up here, we got another one over here. So we're going to take this guy out because we have to. Alright, now do this side, same thing. Clip, clip, 10 mil on the bottom. Let's continue on. So as we removed all the other ones, I'm going to remove more. Another one here. Can't see. Sun's in my eye. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. There you go. Now, some 10 mils. Let's get these guys off. This one you don't have to remove. These two you do. I did it on the other side, but you don't have to. So, I figured out that we're going to take this guy like we did off the other one. And let's do that like we did over here. You see? We want this just to hang out of the way because we got to get to that push button. Push pin on this side. So let's do that. Told you, gotta get this tool. Pop this guy out. One last guy over here. Let's get him out because I doubt I can do it with one arm, with one hand without moving. Wait, I got her. All right, put it in our ashtray, in our tray, and let's keep going. I love Toyota. It always sounds like it's breaking as it pops off, but it always goes back together. Let me show you over here. So now that we have these guys off, see, love Toyota. There you go. Now let's get our mat so we don't scratch nothing. Whoop! There goes all my stuffies. So let's go. Let's take this guy off. Some slight pulling. Now, mind you, this is 85-degree weather. The plastic is nice and soft. And we're going to pull, and pull. And this puppy will come right off. There you go. Unplug this guy. And you are in the home stretch. So, as we took the bumper off, we're going to show you how to get these blind spot sensors. Place them if they're faulty. These things are actually quite funny to use. These little pink tabs. If you keep spinning them, I only have this little guy, my drill bit, so it's not even real Phillips. But if you keep spinning them, see how they do nothing? They sort of like keep popping in and out. Alright, so what you do is you do like a half turn. So it sort of releases. There you go, you see? So it releases the actual, leaves it in a state where it doesn't grab. You see, and I can pull them out. This one, let me see what the hell I did with this one. This one here. That will allow it to be removed. But you want a little bit extra. There you go. Sort of pull the pin out. Come on. There you go. Here's your blind spot. Same way to put it back in. You just want to push in, push in, push in, and done. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.